Hello everyone, this is Moika from the Moika Times. Um, Today I'm going to help you get started with programming by showing you how to download your first text editor if you have not already gotten that far in the process. Um, I would say, first of all, we'd like to get started by opening up your web browser. Um, I'm currently using Firefox, so you may be using something along the lines such as Google Chrome, Safari, Opera, or IE, maybe Edge even. Um, Not sure, but if you have any issues with this process, but let's go and get started by double clicking on your browser wherever you have that, and it should open you up to your home screen, something similar to this or wherever you have it customized. Um, and what I'll need you to do is click on your search bar here and type in atom.io. It then should bring you to a page similar to this. If you are watching this video close to this November 6th date, hopefully you all voted. If not, oh well. Um, but the only thing that will change here should be maybe the versioning. Well, I know that will change is to be the versioning and this here, which should be your operating system. Let me tell you a little bit about Atom. It's a hackable text editor, meaning that there are no real restrictions after you download it. I mean, only there's some, but it's highly customizable. You can go in and change the look of Atom and how it functions for the most part, whenever you so choose. Partly because it's an open source project and you can make packages for it and themes and all that cool jazz. But a few things that Atom has implemented kind of already, or something that you can go in and download after you click this button here, we'll get back to that, is some real-time collaboration, IDE features, and basic GitHub and GitHub integration. So let's go ahead and click on the download button here, and that will trigger a nice little dialog box right here, letting you know what version you're getting. You'll want to go ahead and click the save file, and that will then begin the downloading process of Atom, and that should be in either your download folder or wherever you keep all those nice little bits. But I'm going to currently click cancel since I've already installed this program to my computer and I don't really want to install it again, download it again. But once you do that, it should be here. You'll want to open up your downloads file and double click that to begin the whatever that is. Double click on that and begin the process. Probably shouldn't have done that, but oh well. Once that is installed, you'll see like a little Atom box here. Oh lovely. Yeah, we'll go ahead and cancel that. But you'll see a nice little Atom icon right here. You'll want to double click on that. Mine's in admin mode, so I should get another little box here. Only reason mine is in admin mode is because I have the Atom IDE features enabled, as well as the IDE theme they have, so that allows me to kind of use the terminal and do all that admin stuff that I normally don't want to do, have to do manually and whatnot. But enough of that. Once you open up Atom, oh, I guess I closed it a while back. Should take a few seconds to open up. But we can go back to this nice little Atom page here, and I can talk about what there is. So yeah, they have like the teletype, which allows you to co-op with your friends and co-workers and make wonderful little codes, programs and websites if you so choose. This is the Atom IDE. Comes with I few basic packages so that you can do your HTML, CSS, some JSON. They have some community packages that allow for like C#, like Rust, PHP, JSON, all that jazz. And then here's their little section on GitHub for Atom. So that this here lets you push and pull your packages, create new branches, stage commit, push pull, reserve merge conflicts, all of that just from your text editor without having to leave and go to your GitHub page. And that, because I know that can be a hassle sometimes. So yeah, mine's probably taking a minute. Yeah, there we go. Could not open ToadView. It's no longer in disk space. Yep, I deleted it. Made it a package. Okay. So yeah, my item's being a little goofy right now. Just trying to find a file that won't. It's not really there, but with all great things, there are little bugs, but you can fix them. I love this little pack. I love this little text editor. It's pretty smooth. It's been a wonder since I started. It's what I started on, and I always enjoy it because you can keep it fairly light in its base form and not really worry about any of this extra stuff. But if you want to, you can take the time to customize it as you grow as a programmer and have a lot of fun. But here are the few of the packages that are here. This is like the Git and the GitHub I was talking about earlier and how I have it set up. Here's like a little clock package you can get added on. I guess I can show you some of what is here. So yeah, there are like 109 packages installed. Some of them come custom in. I've added like 29. So like I use, like, these are a few of what I have. Each and one of these packages are built by the community and maintained by the community. So if you're new to programming and you find something that you enjoy using or that is not used as often, by using the Atom documentation, you can go in and fork their project and begin creating something new from it, or just make it better and have some fun. Again, everything in here is highly customizable. It goes as far as show you it automatically recognizes what code you're using. As you can see, I'm getting right, like it's the right little colors for my syntax. You can preview images in here if you want. Here's a little sneak peek of the HTML. So it does a little bit of everything for you, just for free and in its base form. Especially if you're just wanting to start with editing some HTML files or some basic scripting, this would be the choice for you. But if you do want to try something else, there's always Sublime Text. I'm gonna put these in the description below so that you can go to them. And here is Visual Studio Code, which is a nice little download. It's also made by using the same framework as Atom. Since Atom was made, it used Electron. I guess it's the second way you can make Chromium desktop apps. That's a whole other video, but Atom was built using that. Then the group who made Atom took that out so people can make their own desktop apps, and Microsoft made Visual Studio Code from that, which is a free text editor similar to Atom. It's pretty chill, and it's also free to download, and it's pretty strong. I had some fun using this client as well, but again, it's up to you what you want to use, and there's no wrong answer really, unless you're doing some like robotics, then you maybe want to use a stronger IDE, like an actual IDE. But for this, wouldn't be like for some web development, beginning to start projects, something like this wouldn't be a bad place to start. But again, with Atom, if you're at the home page, you can see some packages. What is something that may catch your eye, a few themes, and as well the documentation can help you make your own packages and themes and whatnot, so that you can practice your HTML, your CSS, and your JavaScripts. But if you had a wonderful time, please hit the subscribe button and a like, and leave a comment below. I plan on making a few more videos like these throughout time, just to kind of get better at it and to help the programming community along with, I guess, programming. You never can go wrong with it. You can create a lot of things, and it's pretty fun and kind of cool to do. But again, this was Moika from the Moika Times, and I'm out of here. See you guys.